Hi, everybody. Hey, I know some of you are having some issues with how to send me a picture of your assignment when you submit it. So I'm just going to show you on here really quick. So on here, this is a student view, what you guys should see. And I'm just in the honors class right now, but it should be the same regardless of, who's on it. So let's say I go into my cubed roots here. That was the assignment for honors today, the first one. And I'm ready to submit an assignment. So if I click here and open onto my assignment at the bottom. So what you guys will need to do is you'll need to just snap a picture of your assignment. And I understand that all of you may not have a phone to do that. In those situations, just email me, okay? We can work through whatever. But if you can, I would like you to submit me a picture of it. So you go on to the assignment, you hit submit assignment, and then so there's all these different options of where you guys could pick it from. Like, for example, if a lot of you save your things into Google Drive, you could go to your Google Drive and get it from there. I'm just going to do the file upload here. So you hit choose a file, and here's just a picture I have on here of me. So I'm just going to upload this as if it was the picture of the assignment. So I select that picture and hit open, and it's attached, and now I just hit submit and I'm done. Okay, so as long as you can get the picture saved, onto your computer or even on your phone, you just go to that submit, you do file upload and pick what you want to do. And then I use this a lot right here when I'm working on Canvas, just to see, okay, did it really submit it? And it'll tell you, yes, you submitted it. And then it'll even show you here, this is what you submitted. And you can click on it if you want to see, like, oh, did it submit the right thing? And it'll open up what you submitted. Okay, and then there's that picture that I had submitted. So I hope that helps. If you're still confused or things aren't working, just email me. I'm going to be here in close contact with you guys a lot, so we'll get this worked out. No worries.